The Clarke AT135 arc, TIG and MMA inverter welder combines quality construction, power and control, and is ideal for both automotive and general repairs. With its continuously variable current control from 10 to 130 amps and regulated DC power, the ultra-lightweight and portable AT135 weighs only 6.3 kilograms and provides superior quality arc welding with ease. The electronically controlled output also facilitates smooth and precise TIG welding when fitted with the optional TIG kit, argon gas and suitable regulator, which are available from your local Clarke stockist, making this a truly versatile performer. The efficient inverter technology utilizes a high switching frequency that allows the welder to be less bulky and better controlled than traditional non-inverter transformer type welders, with the variable output current displayed on a clear digital display. The excellent level of precision and control given by the AT135 at relatively low current means that automotive bodywork and thin sheets of mild and stainless steel can be TIG welded without risk of damage or warping. Drawing only 9.2 amps at maximum power, the AT135 runs from a standard 13 amp 230 volt supply and is supplied with an electrode holder, leads, wire brush and earth clamp, making it excellent value for money too. Other impressive features include arc force, which automatically increases the current to prevent the electrode sticking. Hot start, which increases the welding current at the beginning of the welding process. And anti-stick, so the electrode can be easily withdrawn without it becoming damaged. Clarke accessories and consumables include electrodes, clamps, magnetic squares, and Clarke safety equipment such as gauntlets, blankets, screens and aprons, as well as a large range of arc-activated masks. These give you the convenience of clear visibility when aligning the welding torch. Then full protection when the arc is struck. The Clarke AT135 130 amp arc TIG MMA inverter welder with automatic short-circuit protection, turbofan cooling and electronically controlled DC output. This is one welder that you'll wonder how you ever did without.